the struggling, changing world of the youth. There is a specific flavor of melancholy found amongst the youths whose aspirations outweigh their realities. This is an exclusive look into India in 1995. In this program, we journey across the country to meet the youth of India, to listen to their hopes, their fears, and the lives they imagine for themselves, to know something so personal like one's surroundings or the loss of it.
I don't think I'll ever feel like leaving this place. It's peaceful, the sea is just nearby. I really like going there. Even if I go somewhere for studies or something, I'll definitely come back. This is home.
I never really wanted to leave India. I kept thinking I'd work in the public sector. But by the time I finished engineering, those jobs weren't there anymore. There were fewer postings and more competition. So when I couldn't, get a proper job, I went outside, and that's how I landed here. But it's decent work for a better pay. So.
Is it too difficult to be a doctor? No, not at all. You just need to read, study, attend classes regularly, and you know, see somebody die every once in a while, I suppose.
I don't think I want to settle down anytime soon. Not in Delhi, not anywhere. I mean, I love Delhi, but दुनिया घूमने का एक अलग ही मजा होगा. But long term, I don't know.
यही बचपन बीता है हमारा पूरा। सब बचपन से लेके यहीं अभी खेती बाड़ी किए, सब कुछ यहीं पला बढ़ा, यहीं रहा, यहीं सब कुछ खाता हूँ, यहीं रहता हूँ, कहीं नहीं जाता, सब यहीं है मेरा। शहर के बारे में सोचे हो जाके नौकरी करने की? नहीं भैया, असल में शहर हुआ ना बहुत ज्यादा बदल गया। इतनी इतनी टेक्नोलॉजी, इतनी इतनी सब कुछ आ जा रही है, हमारे समझ ही नहीं आवा सरवा। एक तो हम साला 10 तक पढ़े, 10 के बाद में पढ़े, बात उसके बाद क्या काम किया? बस यहीं किराना के स्टोर में महाजन साहब के पास चला जाए, इधर से उधर काम कहीं चलाए भैया, और कुछ नहीं। ज्यादा पैसा वैसा चक्कर नहीं पड़े, लेकिन हाँ गुरु सीखा है तो देखा, बचपन से बहुत कुछ मिला।
Where do you see yourself in the next 10 months? Honestly, मैंने इतने आगे का नहीं सोचा है। मुझे अभी सिर्फ अपने काम पे फोकस करना है और आगे बढ़ना है। Promotions, more responsibility, maybe even lead a team one day. I am not that 5-10 year type. Right now, I'm working as a management trainee at an engineering firm. It's alright, the work is tough sometimes, but I like this feeling of figuring things out. I really want to grow here.
I'm in my final year of BCom. I'm actually enjoying the course. I really hope I get a job in finance, maybe in accounting. That's the only thing I've thought about. I haven't considered anything else, to be honest. In 10 years, I'll definitely think I'll be married. That's one thing I'm sure of. I'd like to have a good job also, something proper in accounting maybe, but I just don't want to work for the sake of it. I also want to travel like up north or maybe abroad, but I don't think all that will happen before marriage. Let's see.
I am doing my house surgency right now, and hopefully, I'll be joining a hospital soon, becoming a practicing doctor, and getting married at least in the next 5 years, let alone 10.
अब देखा भैया, एक चीज बताई तो का ज्यादा बड़ी बात नहीं करेंगे, लेकिन यार सुख ही बा। 100 रुपया पावा थे महीना के, 100 रुपया हम ये साले के 50 रुपये 5 गाय तो।
India's economy is in a period of transformation. Following the 1991 economic reforms, globalization has introduced new markets, foreign investments, and multinational companies. Consumer habits are slowly shifting, and urban areas are seeing new forms of employment. Do you make a lot of international calls?
From Muscat, I call home once a week, like for 5 minutes. Long distance calls aren't really cheap. Even back in India, we only made STD calls if something major happened, like someone died or someone's getting married. Or I think now with the economy opening up, I read that there are like 14 private telecom operators entering the Indian market, which is great.
What do you think of the economy opening up?
I didn't really notice before, but now I'm seeing new brands, soaps, cars, all that. Ads are looking more interesting these days. I didn't even know most of them were foreign. Sometimes we buy foreign things on the way to Velangani, but those feel more special. These ones don't feel like that.
Foreign items are all around now. You can feel the Western influence everywhere. But honestly, most of it is just out of reach for us. Wearing jeans itself is a big deal. I prefer wearing Western clothes, but Papa ko pasand.
I mean, it was everywhere. There were so many debates, and it was definitely like a turning point. But you know, everything before that was quite slow. It was very frustrating. I used to work at this small firm, and to cash my salary, I would have to wait in queues for like an hour, which was frustrating. But after 91, things started to, you know, shift, and you could feel it.
Oh, the first thing I noticed were the cars. It's unlike anything I've seen because these foreign cars have a very distinct style and shape to them. And when I saw them, I realized these are the first foreign things that I would like to buy.
पिंटुआ विदेश जाएगा विदेश मतलब दिल्ली दिल्ली सर्वा समझे दिल्ली सर्वा बड़े के कौड़ा फोटो देगा 5 आदमी दुकान खोल लिए भैया महाजन सबसे पहले दुकान खोले हम उन्हीं के आगे इतना कुछ आता जा रहा है कि आपको क्या ही बताऊं मैं
Cricket continues to hold a special place in the hearts of Indians. The national team is led by experienced players and young talents like Sachin Tendulkar. Matches are followed with great enthusiasm both in stadiums and on television. The sport unites people across regions.
You like watching cricket?
Cricket I am not too interested in. If my cousins or brothers are watching, I'll sit and watch sometimes. Long back, someone even tried to teach me the game, but I was not bothered. At home, they keep watching and arguing about it. I don't like the commentary, it's very irritating.
क्रिकेट बल्ला और बॉल गेंद बल्ला मिल जाए बस
No, I love cricket. I'm a big Gundappa Vishwanath fan. I'm not a big fan of Tendulkar though. I think he plays for himself more than the country, which I think is a thing with a lot of Bombay players. I don't like players from Bombay because of that.
I don't think people understand how much I love it. अगर मैच चल रहा है तो मुझसे बात भी मत करो. मैं तो मैच के लिए काम भी जल्दी निपटाने की कोशिश करती हूँ.
Indian cinema continues to flourish with romantic dramas and family stories dominating the box office. On television, national channels continue to air news and serials, while satellite channels are beginning to gain popularity in urban homes.
Do you like watching films? Oh, I love watching films. Govinda is my favorite. I go to theatre every time his movie comes out. I also watch a lot of Hollywood films. पर सबटाइटल की ज़रूरत होती है. उनका एक्सेंट समझ नहीं आता बहुत बार.
I love watching TV. That's my main hobby only. My parents won't call it a hobby though. They watch mostly Malayalam programs, but I watch everything. Hindi serials, Tamil ones also. If it's good, I'll watch it.
Do you like Shah Rukh Khan?
I think youngsters are definitely influenced by TV more these days for sure. But still, I've never felt like going against what my parents say. We were not brought up like that.
I do watch a lot of TV. I love National Geographic. And I've never been much of a music person. I mostly read in my free time, but MTV has all of us listening to these slow rock songs, and which I like. And I try to memorize the lyrics of those songs so I can write them down when I'm writing letters to like friends and family. They quite like it too.
अरे तुका बताई का अरे आज जब महाजन साहब नहीं रखते टीवी पिक्चर थोड़ा देखो पिक्चर बहुत मजा आज गाना होता मजा ही आ जाता है महाजन साहब ने ना बोले
आप वैसे कौन से चैनल देखते थे दूरदर्शन आता है
हाँ यार दूरदर्शन है सब देखी लेकिन पता नहीं क्या कि अंग्रेजी में आया हुआ यार पता नहीं
जी टीवी
हाँ गुरु एकदम जी टीवी पता है कि बड़ा अच्छा पिक्चर आओ फिल्म एकदम एक नंबर.
In recent years, Indian politics has witnessed significant change. The demolition of the Babri Masjid in 1992 led to nationwide unrest and communal tensions.
The rise of the Hindutva ideology has sparked debates across the political spectrum. As coalitions shift and parties reposition, citizens continue to navigate a complex and evolving democratic landscape.
I mean, not all changes were easy. The Mandal Commission really stirred the country. I was completely against reservation, the way it was expanded. Generational benefits, they don't really make sense. I mean, your children are growing up in better circumstances than you. So we are fixing one injustice by creating another one. That's not really progress, I think.
When the incident at Babri Masjid happened, it felt like a big shift. I thought, okay, if something had to be bought down, ठीक है. लेकिन फिर मंदिर बनाना जरूरी है क्या? हॉस्पिटल या स्कूल, something that helps everyone? I always say, मंदिर दिल में होना चाहिए. मन, दिल.
I've never been too interested in politics to look more deep into it, but I did hear about something happening in Uttar Pradesh.
मुसलमान दोस्त तो है ही, लेकिन देखो एक चीज आपको बताएं, पहले के जो मुसलमान आदमी थे हमारे आज भी मित्र हैं, वो जैसे अब बदल जा रहे हैं, मुस्लिम जैसा बहुत बदल जा रहे हैं यार. भड़काया गया या तो उनको लोगों को इतना मारा गया, जो भी हुआ हो, लेकिन बहुत बदल जा रहे हैं. आपके वो जो हम लोगों में भाईचारा की भावना थी, मिलते थे, राम राम वो करते थे, हमेशा भाईचारा की तरह रहते थे, कभी मदद मिल जाए मांग लेते थे, वो भी मदद करते थे, कभी अपना पराया नहीं कहे, हम भी लोग नहीं गए. लेकिन उसकी बाद से आपको बताएं, हम बहुत कुछ ऐसे बदल गया.
But after the situation at Ayodhya, there was a huge shift. The votes started to move along in the religious lines, and I don't think that strategy has changed since. But maybe now that I'm not there anymore, it won't really affect me anymore.
Hindutva, I did feel like Hindus were often taken for granted. Being the majority population, I feel we don't get any benefits. But I don't think it should be about hating anyone. That's not progress.
I heard about that issue, but honestly, I'm not very interested in politics. That seemed like something that happened in North India. Here, it's not like that. I don't understand. I have Muslim friends, Hindu friends also. We never talk about religion. We eat together, visit each other's houses. Everything is normal only.
तो एक चीज बोले आप, राजनीतिक मजेदार चीज है, लेकिन जो राजनीतिक करता है उसी के लिए, लेकिन बीच में जनता पिसती है, पूरी जनता पिसती है. हम जैसे आम आदमी लोग बस आपस में खुश रह ले. हमारे तो भैया साहब है एक, हम उनके साथ में सेटल है. लेकिन आप कोई चीज अंदर की बात बताए, बहुत ज्यादा धांधली है, बहुत ज्यादा, इतनी धांधली है साला, एक एक पैसा, एक एक पैसा, कुंटल कुंटल पैसा साला इधर से उधर. इधर चुनाव में आवत है, पायल साड़ी सब बांटा थी, एक एक चीज बांटा थी. राम बचा, ये सब चीज से अपने आप को नहीं मतलब है. मैं बहुत दिल का साफ आदमी हूँ, मैं इन सब चीज से थोड़ा दूर रहता हूँ. लेकिन आपको एक चीज बताएं, भविष्य में राजनीतिक तो आगे ले जाएगी, लेकिन खत्म कर देगी. खा जाती हैं यहाँ की सब खाने वाले, सब समझ रहे, खाने वाले लोग.
April rain, no flowers bloom, no wedding Saturday within the month of June. But what it is top of these sea words that I must say to you. I just called to say I love you. I just called to say how much I care. I just called